Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So we've got a line passing through this point here, this point here, and this point here. Find out y when x is 100. Find out x when y is 50, and find out where it crosses to the x-axis. So here, when you're doing this, try and sketch the graph just so that you can get a rough idea of what's going on. So here, minus 10 somewhere down here, minus 7. Let's guess it to be here. Okay, so this is minus 10, comma minus 7. Okay, and then sketch this bit here, 2, 5. So I'm going to guess somewhere around here. Okay, so this will be minus 2, comma minus 5. Okay, so now just draw a straight line. So here, if you want to know what y will be when x is 100, so well x equals 100. Let's say it's really far it's really far to the right. So the line will be somewhere up here. So let's say x equals 100 here. What will y be here? Okay, and then the second question, what is x when y is 50? What that means is you've got to extend the y up here. So 50 is really high up here somewhere. So again, where will x be when y equals 100? When y equals 50? So somewhere here. Okay, and then well, anyway, extend the graph, and then find out exactly where it crosses the x-axis, which means find the exact coordinates for this point here. Okay, so when you're doing this, sketch this diagram just so that you get a rough idea of what's going on. And remember, when you come to work out the equation of this line, you check the gradient. So here the gradient is positive. Well, anyway, the first step is to find out the equation of this line. Once you've got the equation, then you can answer all three questions. So press pause and have a go. And remember, sketch the graph. Okay. Okay, press pause and have a go. All right. So you should sketch a graph, and then it should look something like this. Okay. So the first step is to find out the equation of this line here. So the equation start by y equals mx plus c. Now the first step is to find out the gradient. So while the gradient, you need the height here. Let's just get this point here. Take away this point. Okay. So well, you're interested in the height. So wait there. M equals. Hang on. M equals. Well, you're interested in the height. And remember, we are going to get this point. Take away this point. Okay. So it will be the height here will be this minus this. Okay, so here you've got minus 5 minus negative 7 here. So yeah, this really becomes blah 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 down here. Okay, this is minus 5 minus negative 7. So that would be like minus 5 add 7. So that would be 2. Okay, and then now we're interested in the width here. Okay, the width would be remember, we are getting this point, take away this point, so we've got to get this, take away this. So it would be minus 2. Oh no, hang on, sorry, I pressed the wrong button. Hang on, bear with me, I pressed the wrong button. Wait there. So around here. Okay, so sorry about that. Hang on. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah, remember we are getting this point here. Take away this point here. So it will be minus 2. Take away minus 10 here. So that will be well, take the 2 down. So it's like minus 2 add 10. So that would be 8. Okay, so the gradient is 2 over 8. Okay, so now we can put 2 over 8 in. Well, can we simplify? Let's try simplifying it. 1 over 4. Okay, divide top and bottom here by 2. So the gradient is really a quarter. Now we can put it a quarter into this thing here. Hang on, let me think. Yeah, okay, let's put a quarter into here. So a quarter, well, remember, you've got x here, it gets multiplied to the top. So we can just write, hang on, we can just write x over 4. Okay, so x over 4, oh, hang on, we can just write x over 4. X over 4 plus c equals y. Okay, so this bit here, so far so good, but we need to find the intercept. So now we need to find one point on any point on the line. Let's choose this one here. So it's -2 minus 5. Okay, -2 minus 5. So y is minus 5. So put the -5 in here. X is -2. So put the -2 in here, and then plus c. Now it's just a matter of finding out. It's just a matter of finding out c. So you well, here you've got this block equals this plus this. So add this block to both sides. So take the -5 down, and then add 2 over 4. That will equal c. So turn this into a fraction. So it's -5 over 1 plus 2 over 4 equals c. Now times top and bottom here by 5 by 4. Okay, so times top and bottom by 4, just so that we can get the two denominators to be the same. So this will be -20 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Now that the two denominators are the same, we can merge the two. So 4 here. So it would be like minus 20 plus 2 would be -18. Okay. Here, let's divide top and bottom by 2. Just to try and simplify it. Okay. Hang on. No, actually leave it because here the denominator is 4. When we put the c back into here, we can merge it with this immediately. So don't simplify it. Leave it as it is. Okay. So the overall, now we are going to put this thing into the c. So let's go back to here. So our equation is y equals, I'm just copying this bit here. Y equals x over 4, and then we've got to add c. C is negative 18 over 4. So let's put it in here. So now we're just going to stuff minus 18 over 4 in here. So this will be our equation. Okay. So let me clear this up. Oh, hang on. Let me clear up everything. It looks a bit messy now. Hang on. So here, so the equation is this. So now we can simplify it. So this equals x minus 18 over 4. So this is our overall equation. So now that we've got this, we can start answering these questions here. Find y when x is 100. So put the 100 into the x to find out y. Okay. So in this case, it will be. Hang on. It will be. Let me. Hang on. Bear with me. Yeah. Never mind. Let's carry on. So now we're putting 100 into the x. So hang on. Control. So hang on. Sorry. Find y when x is 100. So at x equals 100. Well, just put with a 100 into the x. So y equals 100 take away 18 over 4. Okay, 100 take away 18. That would be 82 over 4. Okay, and then well, here even number. So we can divide top and bottom here by 2. Okay. Yeah. So divide top and bottom here by 2. So that this will be 41 over 2. Okay. So y equals 41 over 2. So at x equals 100, y will be 41 over 2. Okay, and then the second question is find x when y is 50. So what you do, you put the 50 into here and then work backwards to find out y. So put the 50 into the y. 50 goes in here. It goes. So remember, 50 goes into the y. So now you've got x minus 18 over 4. So we are trying to do this second question here. Okay, we are trying to work out x when y is 50. So we put a 50 into the y, and then work backwards to find out the x. So times both sides by 4. So this will be 200 x minus minus 18. Okay, and then add 18 to both sides. So x equals 218. So this here would be your answer to question 2. And then find out exactly where it crosses the x-axis. Well, so it crosses the x-axis here. So y at that point there would be 0. Okay, because y would be 0 at that point. So to answer question 3, put 0 into y and then work backwards to find out x. Okay, so all right, so this is our equation. We are going to put 0 into the y. So hang on, let's do it up here. So 0, we are putting the 0 into the y. So it will be 0 equals x minus 18 over 4. Okay, because if we are putting 0 into here, so x is so now we are at this stage here. So now just work backwards to find out x. So times both sides by 4. So that will be 0 times 4 will be 0, and then you've got x minus 18. So add 18 to both sides. So x equals 18. So at this point here, the coordinates will be 18, 0. Okay.